In this video, I'll demonstrate how to perform kinetic data analysis with myassays2.com. Kinetic assays involve measuring signal changes at each well over a period of time, capturing the dynamic behavior of a reaction. The resulting data can be displayed with associated time points or as a time-independent series, depending upon the analysis needs. Typically, a kinetic analysis will reduce each kinetic plot to a single value or reduction. Example reductions are peak, reaction rate, for example slope during the linear phase, or the area under the curve. These reduced values serve as the foundation for further analysis, such as quantitative or qualitative applications. In this example, we'll start with a pre-configured protocol available on myassays2.com, the area under curve assay. This will calculate the area under each kinetic graph using the trapezium method. The report will contain both the original thumb plot of the raw data and the area value. On the left, we can see the description of the assay, and to the right, we can see the analysis settings. The Measurement tab will allow us to copy and paste in the data or select a file to import. You'll notice the data is arranged with the position to the left, for example A1, followed by the measurement results. If your data is formatted in this manner, you can copy and paste. However, you can also select Choose File and import your data directly from your measurement file. I have an example measurement data file, and reviewing the file you can see that it is in a different format from the pad layout data in this assay. But that's okay, my assays can recognize the file format and import the data successfully. I'll select Choose File, browse for and select my measurement file, and pressing OK we can see that the data was successfully imported and the data in the pad is now updated. The next section will allow us to define our plate layout. In the case of my assay, my plate is comprised entirely of unknowns arranged in singlet. So I'll select Create Layout to update my layout to match that configuration now. Pressing Save and Close to apply the changes. The next section will allow us to enter sample IDs for each unknown. You can copy and paste these in or enter them individually. As each unknown is selected, you'll notice the visual feedback on the right-hand side of the screen indicating which sample is currently being edited. And finally, we can optionally add a name for our assay run and any applicable notes to appear alongside these results on our home page. Now that we've edited the analysis tabs to match our current assay run, we can press Calculate to calculate our results. Once our results are calculated, you'll see both an interactive chart and a report appear. Maximizing the interactive chart, we can view the chart for each position and the sum of the trapezia areas. If we'd like to flag and remove any points from our analysis, simply click on a point and recalculate. You can toggle between the positions by making a selection in the right-hand side of the screen. Opening the Excel report, we can see our sample table containing the sample IDs, positions, raw kinetic thumb plots, and calculated area under the curve. You can download this report by selecting the Download Excel File button. You can search for additional pre-configured kinetic assays by using the search box at the top of the screen. Did you know that myassays2.com integrates with MyAssays Desktop to allow you to create and publish your own kinetic protocol for your specific application? In this way, you can build your own custom kinetic data analysis protocol with MyAssays Desktop using a range of kinetic reduction methods and analyses, and then share your analysis protocol with colleagues for their own use without requiring MyAssays Desktop to be installed on their system. See the next video in this series for a demonstration of how to configure a custom kinetic protocol in MyAssays Desktop for publish to myassays2.com. If you have any questions about using pre-configured kinetic protocols available on myassays2.com, please email us at support@myassays.com.